starting IPL team, you're the captain. Take over a new team with a new bunch of lads, and then to play the way you've done. You'll be proud of yourself. You'll be proud of your boys as well. Yes, I am. I am very proud of each and every individual who has participated in the team, and a lot of youngsters who have played their first season. And the fearless nature that they showed, it was simply phenomenal. And I keep on saying the same thing again and again. But hats off to every individual who have been here, who have contributed us, the support staff, management. I think without them,
কোহলি তো জিতে আবার কিছুই করলে না, এই যে কি যে করতে হয় মাঠে,
and also
দম ধরেছিল ও।
job is still half done, and we have to receive the trophy next year.
কিছু করলে না, এত মানে ও তো নিজের শখ, এত
Next year.
এত খুশি যে খুশি তার কিছুই করলে না।
Definitely the way we turned up,
Meeting in the other mother in there.
stepping up at the right time and saying that I can win the match. There's so many youngsters in the team. I think we have gained a lot of experience out of these matches, and I'm sure that next year when they come, they'll be having immense experience with them, and with that,
মারাত্মক টার্নিং পয়েন্ট ওই
strategies
শালা
around so that
6 মারলে
we can play some
স্টোনিস
decent cricket around.
ও থাকতে যদি
Well,
ইয়া
today, but
পানি
season,
6 রানে হারলে।
স্টেশন যদি থাকতো এ পানি
indeed, well played.
Shreyas Iyer has
Punjab Kings team.
18 বলে 47 রান কি ছিল?
Rajiv Shukla, Vice President of the BCCI, will present the Winners Award. The players and the support staff will each receive an
কুড়ি
IPL
কোটি।
Recognition Award.
কুড়ি দিলে
Royal Challengers
কাকে?
Bengaluru. Can Andy Flower, the coach,
Andy Flower,
collect the award on behalf of the whole team?
আসলে চুপ করে থাকো
মানে
And now, Mr. Devjit Saiki, Honorary Secretary of the BCCI. The winner's check.
না
20
কালছে
crore rupees. Rajat Patidar, RCB.
দিলে, আরসিবিকে 20 কোটি দিলে।
Well, Rajat, you can afford to smile. Has it sunk in? First ever trophy in 18 years of IPL cricket. And you're the captain in your first year. So has the penny dropped? Has it sunk in? I think it is really special for me and special for Virat Kohli.
দেবদূত আছে লাইভ
আছে
আসবে না
এখন দেখো হ্যাঁ
দেখে নেমে একবারও
কে
পাটিগাল চোট হয়ে পালা ছিল পাটিগাল।
You've had a very consistent season, but when did it actually cross your mind that you have a chance of
India
actually
রে
winning the trophy? At what
ভারতের
stage of the IPL?
কর্ণাটক
পার্টিকেল কখন হয়েছে
IPL, which stage did you think that you can actually win the IPL?
পারিকা তার পরীক্ষা খেলা তো
I think qualifier one. I think I do qualifier one. I think at that time we
পারিকালের বদল কাকে খাওয়া যায় মায়ের মায়ের ভালো
were restricted to
মায়েরই ভালো খেলে
you thought that was par for the course, or you thought you needed some more runs? I think 190 score was good on this track because it was quite bit slow.
সবার হাতে চোট
The way
চোট
Bowler
নেই
executed their dance, that was tremendous to watch. Now inspiring move to give Krunal Pandey the ball at that stage, and Krunal Pandey, and he did a fabulous job. What a spell for him. 4 overs, 2 for 17. Of course, it is a wicket-taking bowler. Whenever I come under pressure, I look very escaping. So I had a lot of belief in him, and with KP and next to Yash also bowled very well throughout the season, and all the bowlers, fast bowler, Bhuvi, Yash, Hazlewood, and the way Romario came in and the way he gave 2-3 overs and then breakthrough, I think that was really special. You mentioned Virat Kohli, 18 years with the same franchise, and under your captaincy, wins it now. I think for me it's a great opportunity, to do captaincy at a late time. I think for me, and as I said, I think he deserves more than anyone else. Virat Kohli and all the fans, and after that, I think everyone who is supported, everyone, the management, support staff, coaching staff, I think the way they have supported every player, I think that was take your time. It's your night. Very congratulations. You can go now and lift the IPL trophy for the first time. I just want to say one line for the fans.